I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
About to have everybody saying who is Ricky White. That's me. What you been up to, man? What's going on, man? I finally got to get in. What you running in here, man? Let them know what you got.
I got 1212 Sadistic Sounds SS1s, 2500 RMS. We're about 22 hertz back port, 51 front port, 4 AK def bonds, AAKs, 90 amp C-Max, and a 320 alt amps.
Got a whole bunch in here.
Well, I'm about to switch everything up though.
You gonna switch it again?
Well, I'm switching my amps. I'm going from the def bonds to the HOOKUP AKs.
Yeah.
And so I can wire it down because I'm at 1.33 right now.
Oh yeah, that ain't give you what you want.
Nah, it ain't.
Yeah.
How we do it at the place? Beating you down, wall sound. DJ Rusticles.
It ain't too bad, man. Where can I get them subs at, man?
Man, it's a pre-order. I build subs to be built by the customer. I don't build the subs for just me. I build it by the customer.
It's a custom build.
Everything's custom built. Everything's touched by me.
So what? That's SadisticSounds.com. Where you at?
Yep, SadisticSounds.com. You can get my number off there. Send me a text or a call.
Okay, we're gonna try to link the link down below in the video and the number. If he got a number down there, if you want to put it on the video or whatnot, we're gonna do all that. Be sure to give him a follow. Man, appreciate it, bro.
These the cones I'm using now. These are this year's cones.
Mega roll.
No,
That's bigger than a mega roll, eh?
Yeah, it's 45 X Max in and out.
Oh, when you gonna be ready?
I'm hoping before Wake the Dead.
So this year.
Yeah, I'm still, like I said, I'm still
Hey,
working.
but I've been seeing it online, but I ain't never got to get in it.
Yeah, I'm slowly working on it, man. I've been working almost 12-hour days.
Trying to get it right.
Monday through working.
Oh, you been at work?
Yeah,
that's right. You work for the energy company. That's right.
Yeah, I work for MLG&W, so I'm working 12-hour days Monday through Monday.
So you getting this in whenever you can.
Yeah, that's why it's half painted, because I was like shit. So I'm working on it when I can work on it, but.
So you're gonna trash those rolls out.
After I get a couple of numbers in and check the numbers, I'm going straight with it.
You gonna go with it. Yeah, y'all be sure to give him a follow.
I
want one. Yeah, I want one. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, now it's right, yeah.
His goddamn shit's this long.
Yeah, it is.
I don't want that long because I gotta put another 90 back here.
So you gotta keep some space.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is, I'm putting this 90 here, and my amp racks are gonna be on top of each other, and then my other 90 is gonna go here to connect the other two.
So you gonna come on up out of here with these? These look brand new.
They're about 4 months old. They ain't old.
Oh, they look brand new. What you gonna do? Sell them? Hold on.
I'm selling them. I don't want this stuff.
Hey, you can't collect this stuff, can you, man? You have too much of one.
Yeah, I have too much to do. I got too.
I think you probably. I think this shit is new.
And I got more purple wire. The only reason why I haven't put it in yet is because I'm waiting on my other amps, because I'm gonna have to rewire some stuff anyway. Yeah. Because of how I'm going. Because I'm putting these. The new amps are going to be about right here because I got to stack them.
Yeah, and then move the bank over.
Yeah, and then all this stuff is going to come down in the middle where the bank is. And I'm basically going to fill this in so you can't see.
You still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that going to tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.